For the last half a century, I've had customers come to my door pleading, "Why won't my guitar stay in tune?" But the real question to ask is, was your guitar ever in tune to begin with? And now, after decades of being the voice in the wilderness, I think the message is finally getting through that the combination with an acoustic guitar of a compensated bridge saddle and compensated nut, this is how you set up the intonation so that all of the chords, all of the notes across the entire span of the fingerboard are regulated and calibrated. Enjoy. So once again, I'm going to be playing a combination of every position on the guitar. So this is the chord progression. Well, what you were looking at a second ago was a UHMD, ultra high molecular density plastic insert to stop the vibrato system from moving at all. Every once in a while I'll get a customer that says, you know something, I never use the tremolo. Can you block it? That's how I do it. It's completely reversible. That's just a perfect press fit. I thicknessed it to that perfect press fit on the radius disc sander, just bit by bit, a few thou at a time. Press that in there. It never goes out of tune. As you can see, he dropped a couple of Duncan humbuckers in there. He got rid of the 3 single coils. So it's really kind of like a Les Paul Strat type thing. So I'm going to start, as I always do, by playing a bunch of chords in different positions along the length of the neck, so that you can kind of hear how regulated the guitar is. This, of course, has a compensated nut. It's especially the first position chords. All those garden variety. You could do a folk gig on this guitar.